Welcome to Brain Vision.
You are again given a couple of segments of pipe or rods that are connected with a elbow here, a 90-degree elbow. They go on to connect to the wall here, but we want to take a cut here 1 meter from the wall. There are applied loads that have components in all direction here, and then another applied load here. So the load here is 200 newtons in the x, minus 100 newtons in the y, and minus 400 newtons in the z direction. The vector from B to 1, so this is point 1 here, and this is point 2. The vector from B to 1 is 1 meter in the x direction and 1.5 meters in the y direction. The force at the elbow here is 300 newtons in the x direction and minus 500 newtons in the z direction. The position vector from B to 2 is just 1 meter in the x direction. So I should put a 1 in there just to make it more clear, I guess. So we have 3 force components here. That's fine. 3 moment components here. We can sum the forces on this section and set them to 0, and sum the moments on this section, set them to 0. And we'll get that this vector and this vector. FB, the internal force vector, is minus 500 newtons in the I direction, in the x direction, 100 newtons in the y direction, and 900 newtons in the z direction. So which one? It's x direction. This is our normal. So this is acting to compress it, and these are shear. These are shear forces. And the moment, we have 600 newton meters about the x-axis, minus 900 newton meters about the y-axis, and 400 newton meters about the z-axis. So in this case, this is the twisting moment, and these are bending moments.